Gold is sitting at a make-or-break level right now. On this chart I'm about to show you, price is trapped between a reversal zone below and a big fair value gap plus demand blocks above. Next week, gold either grabs liquidity below and reverses, or completely breaks down. In this video, I'll walk you through the key levels I'm watching, how I'm planning my trades for next week, and exactly what has to happen before I go long or short. Let's jump straight into the chart. So this is XAUUSD on the 15-minute time frame. You can see the different colored sessions: London, New York, Tokyo. Each block shows session ranges and averages. These diagonal lines are the trend lines that are boxing price in, and we've got marked zones: DOB, demand, order blocks, FVG, fair value gaps, and this gray reversal box underneath current price. Right now, gold is trading around 4,064 and just reacted off this intraday support area. First, let's understand what price just did. We had a strong push-up from London into New York, taking out previous highs. That move created a New York range up here with a sharp wick. Classic liquidity grab, a DOB block at the top where sellers stepped in. AFVG, this shaded zone where price moved too quickly and left inefficient pricing. Price then rejected that upper DOB plus FVG area and sold off back into this mid-range zone. So in simple terms, buyers pushed price too high, too fast. Smart money sold into that move. Now price is searching for new liquidity before deciding the next leg. Now let's talk about the levels that matter for next week. 1. Upper zone, FVG plus DOB, resistance. This whole orange plus red box is where I expect sellers to defend. If price trades back into this FVG, I'm watching for rejection wicks shift in market structure on lower time frames. That's where I'll look for short setups targeting the mid-range or the reversal zone again. 2. Mid-range, current price. Around 4,060, 4,070. Price is basically undecided. I'm not interested in blindly trading here. This is where people get chopped up. I'll wait for price to either return to the upper FVG at DOB or drop into the reversal zone below. 3. Lower reversal zone, demand. This gray box marked reversal is my main buy interest area. If price sweeps below recent lows, tags this zone, and then leaves a strong rejection candle, breaks back above short-term structure. That's where I'll start looking for longs targeting the upper FVG again. Alright, so what's the next move for gold next week? Scenario A, liquidity grab and reversal, bullish. Price trades down first into the reversal zone. We run liquidity below current lows, maybe sweep that gray box. Then we see strong bullish candle out of the zone. Break of a lower time frame high, market structure shift. In that case, I'm bullish above the reversal zone. My targets are, first, the mid-range, then the upper FVG plus DOB zone. If we break and close above that FVG, we can start talking about higher time frame continuation to new highs. Scenario B, clean breakdown, bearish. Price fails to hold this reversal zone. We get candle bodies closing under the gray box and under this diagonal support trend line. Any retest from below into that former demand now becomes supply. In that case, I'm looking for shorts on retest targets would be prior session lows and any unfilled liquidity pools you've marked below on your higher time frame. In both scenarios, I'm not guessing. I'm waiting for price to tap the levels and then watching how it reacts. So how do I actually trade this? I don't chase price in the middle. I mark my zones before the week starts. Upper FVG, DOB, and lower reversal zone. Then, wait for price to tap one of those zones. Drop to a lower time frame, 5 minute or 1 minute. Look for a market structure shift and a clean entry with tight stop. Stops go beyond the zone, not randomly in the middle. If the zone fails cleanly, I'm out. No revenge trading. So, to sum it up, I expect gold to hunt liquidity, either in the reversal zone below or inside that FVG above. I'll be bullish if we reject from the reversal zone and break structure up. I'll be bearish if we break and retest that lower zone from the underside. If you want, I can drop a follow-up video mid-week updating whether we got the reversal or the breakdown. Tell me in the comments. Do you think gold taps the reversal zone first or flies straight back into the FVG? And do you want a shorter, live update style video during the week, or these deeper breakdowns with full chart markup?